Hey everyone, this is Anju and welcome to my channel. As you all know, spring is right around the corner. So I decided to make a 3D spring picture using cardboard. So without further delay, let's get started. First step is draw the picture on the printer paper. Since this is a 3D picture, we need layers. To make the layers clear, I have color coded them, and also as you can see I have numbered them from 1 to 9. First layer shows a pond, and in sixth layer I have shown the lake. Since I wanted to make a larger picture, I have enlarged this on the tracing paper, which is 24 inches long and 18 inches wide, and I also left a 1-inch margin on the edges of the rectangle. Now you can see as I have numbered this tracing paper from 1 to 9, out of which 8 layers are going to be of cardboard and a 9th layer is going to be of canvas. As you can see, it is hard to take an up close view of this size cardboard. I will be using printer paper as a smaller version of cardboard to show what I am doing on the cardboard in each step. Second step is to transfer one layer on each cardboard using the carbon paper. So this is what I'm showing, how to transfer layer number 1 on the cardboard. That's layer number 1. And now I'm showing how to do layer number 2 on the next cardboard piece. This is number 2. Now I have layer number 1 and layer number 2 shown. And this is how I have transferred the layers on the cardboard. Step number 3 is to cut unwanted piece of cardboard. I've scribbled the lines to show that is unwanted piece of cardboard. Once I cut out that piece, then the layers can be seen clearly. And here I am cutting extra pieces of cardboard that is not wanted. This is how the layers look when I arrange them one after the other, starting with layer number 8. To make the trees sturdy, I have stuck the pieces of wire on the back side of the trees. To make the layers sturdier, I have painted them with white acrylic paint. As you can see, the layer number 1 has pond in it and layer number 6 has lake in it. I have stuck a piece of tracing paper on the back of those two pieces, and later on I will paint them with the blue color to make them look like water. Layers 1 through 5 have grass in it, so I first painted them with the black and the dark blue color, and then I painted them with the different shades of green. The first layer has taller grass, and layers from 2 through 5 have shorter grass. Since this is a spring picture, I wanted to show flowering trees in my spring scene. So I used the tissue paper to show flowers and I stuck them on the tree. Painted the mountains with the brown, white and black color. I have painted the pond and painted the lake. I have stuck sailboats on the lake and ducks and the ducklings on the pond. I painted canvas to show the sky for the layer number 9. I made the swings and hung them on the trees. I cut 1-inch strips out of a foam board, and those 1-inch strips I would use them as spacers between the layers. It's time to put the picture together. Here I'm showing only 3 layers. Starting with layer number 3, right side up, you stick spacers in that 1-inch margin that we had left on every cardboard. Now you apply the glue on the spacers, those foam board spacers that we had cut before. Now you apply the glue on those and then you stick the layer number 2 on top of that. And then again it's time for sticking the spacers on the layer number 2. Now this is the best method of putting the layers together, although I have not followed that. That's what you would see when we put the picture together with cardboard layers. And now we have to stick the layer number 1 here. And to give it a finished look, we will stick spacers on the top of the first layer as well. Here I am putting the actual picture together. This is the layer number 8 where there are 7. This is layer number 7. I've already stuck the rest of the layers, and now this is layer number 9. I'm sticking after sticking all the other layers first. Now to give this picture a finished look, we are going to stick papers on the sides of it, otherwise the cardboard will show up. So this is how it's supposed to look. I've tried to make it look as good as possible. Here, this is actual picture that I have put the cardboard paper on the side of the cardboard. Then I colored it yellow, but I didn't like it, so then I decided to do something else with it. I painted it gray first. And then I drew small and big and whichever size circles I could to make it look like rock. And then I filled the spaces between those circles with the black color to make it look like rocks embedded in the cement or joint compound or whatever that is. And this is how it looks from print.